Good morning everyone. My name is Susri Vismita Ponda. Today I am here to share my review and demonstration video of a very famous and popular educational app, that is PW. PW stands for Physics Wala. This app gained very popularity among the students who are preparing for JEE and NEET because of its affordable rate, high quality content and learning experience. In this presentation, I am going to share the features and how to use the application, its advantages, and my overall review as a B.Ed student. Physics Wala, it was founded by Alak Pandey sir in the year 2020. This app mainly focuses on JEE, NEET, and UPSC, but it also covers many state board exams, school level exams, PSUs, and many more. Students can access live video lectures, live classes, test series, offline lectures. Once the lectures are get downloaded, they are available offline also, and it is available on Android Play Store, iOS, and it has a web version also. So now let's look at the main features of the PW app. After that, I am going to give you the detailed demonstration video of the application. Thank you. So now let's discuss about the main features of the PW app. First of all, it has separate batches for all the courses, like separate batches for JEE, separate batches for NEET and other exams as well. It has an option of live, whether you want to attend the live class, or you can record the live class and access it later. It has chapter wise quiz options, MCQs, and test series option as well. It has a option of making notes and PDFs. The price is very affordable as compared to the other applications. It can analyze your performance, your weakness, and all. It has a language option of English, Hindi, and also English. It has a separate batch for doubt solving session, and recently they have introduced an AI chatbot for the doubt solving and other queries. Also, the teachers of PW take motivational sessions to guide the student. They give personal mentorship and many more. And also, the downloaded lectures will not be deleted, and you can access whether your phone have an active internet connection or not. So this is all about the main features of PW application. Now let's move towards the application interface. हेलो, तो जैसे कि मैंने आप सब लोगों को बताया था कि PW एप्लीकेशन इज़ अवेलेबल इन एंड्रॉयड app Play Store and also in iOS App Store, and also it has a web version. So now let's move to the Play Store, search for PW, and the very first application, that is PW JEE/NEET UPSC. You have to download it from here. After downloading, open the application, enter your mobile number. As I have logged in earlier, so I have to continue. You can put your mobile number here, and after accessing the OTP, your app interface will be opened. So now the very first thing जो आपके एप्लीकेशन में आएगा, वो आपको चूज करना पड़ेगा for which exam you are preparing for. As I have already selected, I have to change. I will show you. यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर ऑल एग्ज़ाम का सेक्शन है, यू कैन गो टू देयर. The very first thing is there are 4 most popular exams that you all know also: IIT, JEE, NEET, UPSC, and government exams. Apart from that, they have an option of engineering and medical examinations, college entrance examination, school and board olympiad, government job, NET exam, teacher training, and also they offer some other programs like skill development program, online degree, agriculture, and all. So now let's move to the suppose we are preparing for UPSC. or we are preparing for IIT JEE, which is very common in today's life. After selecting IIT JEE, you have to select your class 11, 12 और ड्रॉपर. तो मैंने 11 सिलेक्ट किया. तो क्लास सिलेक्ट करने के बाद यहाँ पे मुझे सबसे पहले बैचेस का ऑप्शन आता है. सो बैचेस के ऑप्शन में आपको PW की तरफ से जो पॉपुलर बैचेस अभी कंटिन्यूएशन में है, अभी चल रही है, वो सारे बैचेस के आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा, डिटेल्स मिल जाएगा. आप कोई भी बैच में ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं. हियर first Arjuna JEE 4.0 batch 2026. This class has been already started from 15th September 2025, and as you can see, Arjuna JEE 2026 class has started from 14th April 2025. The power batch of Arjuna JEE 2027 has been started from 18th August 2025. So this is all about the programs. Here in the view all batches, you can see all other batches, और आपको जो भी बैचेस पसंद आता है आप वो बैचेस एक्सेस कर सकते हो. सपोज मुझे अर्जुना JEE 2026 बैच या फिर Arjuna JEE 4.0 बैचेस लेना है. सो here is a language option, language section, English. So this batch is in mostly in English, Hindi plus English. Basically this is English. So Arjuna JEE 4.0 batch have 3 plans. एक बैच, दूसरा इन्फिनिटी एंड इन्फिनिटी प्रो. यहाँ पे कंपेयर प्लान ऑप्शन में चूज करके यू कैन सी व्हाट आर द एग्जैक्ट क्राइटेरिया ऑफ ईच 3 बैचेस, एंड आपको कौन से बैच में क्या क्या एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स मिलने वाली है. यू कैन एक्सेस इट फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. देन ओनली यू कैन चूज द ऑप्शन ऑफ बाय नाउ. यू कैन बाय द प्लान. Here PW recommends some book and also some stationery items. If you want, you can add on it here. If you have a coupon code, you can select it, or you can pay and purchase the batch. So here before purchasing the batch आपको सारे description मालूम होने चाहिए. So this is the regular description, that is recorded video lectures, PDF plus handwritten notes मिलेंगे, 24/7 डाउट सपोर्ट मिलेगा, DPP with solution. What is DPP? DPP stands for daily practice problem, and the solution will be video solutions. And also this batch includes it have a course duration of 15 September to 30 January, एंड बैच का वैलिडिटी आपका 30 जून 2027 तक रहेगा. इफ़ द एग्जामिनेशन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर postpones by any cause or delays, so the validity and the course duration will be adjusted accordingly. The mode of lecture will be recorded, that will be online, not live lectures. Here is the schedule and one-on-one support and other all the subjects of JEE, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics. Here this is the orientation video, you can go through it before purchasing. These are the demo videos of chemistry, physics and mathematics by teachers. In this session know your teacher, you can know कि आप कौन से टीचर से पढ़ने वाले हो with their experience. So you can go through any batch and you can go through the descriptions very clearly before purchasing any batch. In all class section we will be having the physics, mathematics, physical, organic and inorganic chapter. After entering to any chapter, here is all content. all content के अंदर आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ पे lectures, जो कि रिकॉर्डेड है। आप यहाँ पे डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टडी इट लेटर व्हेन इंटरनेट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट देयर। once you downloaded the video, you can access it any times. आफ्टर दैट हियर इज़ अ नोट सेक्शन। यहाँ पे आपको सारे के सारे नोट्स मिलेंगे। अच्छा, यहाँ पे मुझे लॉक्ड ऑप्शन दिखा रहा है क्योंकि आई हैव नॉट परचेज द बैच येट। वंस यू परचेज द बैच, ये आपको लॉक नहीं दिखाएगा। यहाँ पे आपको DPP सेशंस मिल जाएंगे। ऑब्वियसली ये भी लॉक्ड है मेरे लिए। एंड DPP में आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर्स मिल जाएंगे, जैसे कि 11 क्वेश्चंस 44 मार्क्स के हैं। earn up to 33 extra points, one extra point for every extra point you will get extra point for every correct answers। ये आपका DPP का PDF हो गया और ये आपके DPP के सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस है जो कि अभी मुझे एक्सेसिबल नहीं है। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द ऑल कंटेंट। और यहाँ पे आपको PYQ प्रैक्टिस सीट मिल जाएगा PDF वर्जन में, माइंड मैप मिल जाएगा, शॉर्ट नोट, NCERT डिस्कशन एंड हैंड रिटन नोट्स एंड मेनी मोर। सो यू कैन एक्सेस आफ्टर परचेजिंग द बैच। Here there is a test. You can give obviously it is also logged here, but you can give the test after buying the plan. So this is all about batches. If you want, you can change your examination over from here and access the batch accordingly. In the offline wala section, you can access the offline coaching center or PW of PW. Let's suppose we are living in Pune. So we will enter Pune, and here there are currently showing there are 6 centers in Pune, Shivajinagar, Hadapsar. So आप अपने नियर बाय PW सेंटर में ऑफलाइन कोर्स के लिए भी एनरोल कर सकते हैं। Here in the study section, you will be getting also the popular batches, the test series. You can buy the test series. This is the validity of the test series will be 12 months. This is the description of the test series. You can go through the description and you can buy any kind of test series you want. टेस्ट सीरीज़ आपको एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन में बहुत हेल्प करता है। यहाँ पे आपको लाइब्रेरी का ऑप्शन मिलेगा जहाँ पे आपको सारे फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स मिल जाएंगे PDF वर्जन में, JEE मेंस एंड JEE एडवांस के। मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम, अभी तो यहाँ पे कोई वेबिनार नहीं है, बट अंडर मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम you are allowed to access the webinars, and also PW staff and alumni और टॉपर्स आपको असिस्ट करेंगे आपके एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन में। और यहाँ पे जो आपको दिख रहा है ये PW की तरफ से एक चार्ट बॉट है AI, जिस पे आप अपना कोई भी डाउट या कन्फ्यूजन आप पूछ सकते हैं और आपको मदद मिल जाएगी। जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे अपने एकेडमिक रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं, इमोशनल सपोर्ट, स्टडी मटेरियल और एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू जस्ट कैन टाइप हियर and you will get recommend me suitable batches and you will get your solution instantly. So as AI, so now you can see AI suggested me this batch for my JEE preparation. And with short description of the batch. If you want, you can book it from here also. Now let's move to the power batch wala option. In the power batch, what is the power batch exactly and why the power batch is more special than any other batches? Here you get 4 main benefits in power batch, that is interact with the main teacher in the class. जो भी सब्जेक्ट आप पढ़ रहे हो उसके जो हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं, यू कैन इंटरेक्ट विद देम। लर्न फ्रॉम टॉप फैकल्टी ऑफ PW के बेस्ट फैकल्टी से आप पढ़ेंगे। पर्सनल मेंटर 1-on-1 कन्वर्सेशन आपको मिलेगा। आफ्टर क्लास आपको डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन मिलेगा। तो आप कोई भी प्रीमियम बैच अभी ज्वाइन कर जैसे कि अभी यहाँ पे 2 बैच है, एक JEE 2027 के लिए अर्जुना पावर बैच और एक JEE 2028 के लिए अर्जुना पावर बैच है। दोनों ही क्लास 11th के लिए है। और आप यहाँ पे अपना लैंग्वेज भी चूज कर सकते हो, हिंदी या इंग्लिश। जैसे कि मैं देख पा रही हूँ दोनों लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश में अवेलेबल है, हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश में। इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन बाय एनी क्लास। Here FAQ, frequently asked question, you can go through and clear your doubts. There is a book a free demo session. So before buying or any batch, you can book your free demo. If you are satisfied with the batch, then only you have to purchase it. So this is the power batch. Here the next option is the PW store. This is a very good option, I must say. In PW store you get a various number of options of books, like here you can choose filter, and here there are edition of 2020 through to 2025. You can choose your class, you can choose your subject, you can choose your language and apply for the books. Here are the IIT JEE books. You can choose it from here, all JEE books, previous year question bank, revision book, test series, crash course, NEET book, CUET के बुक्स, डिफेंस के बुक्स और अदर एग्ज़ाम्स के बुक आप यहाँ से एक्सेस कर सकते हो। आप यहाँ से ऐड कर सकते हो और अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करके। So this is all about the PW application, which as a teacher I found very much. This was a quick review of and demonstration of PW application. I personally find it more beneficial as they offer Hindi, English and also English language for the students. Gen Z students understand more English language. So I must say this is a very good option, and the power batch wala option and especially the AI chatbot and everything is very good, excellent. As a teacher I must recommend this application for every students, and also I personally prefer PW videos for teaching my students. So overall this is a very good application, and all the students preparing for any examination, they should go through this application. Thank you so much.